Hello and welcome back to my master class. This is going to be part 3 of the tutorial. And today we'll be learning about the type tool. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on the tool down here. And then what you're going to do is go to the playback panel, and then go ahead and click anywhere on the playback panel. And then go ahead and and there you go, you did it. Thank you for joining me on this part 3 of my masterclass series. If you learned anything, go ahead and like, subscribe, leave a comment. Hope to see you again.